Welcome back. So today we're doing a deep dive into Kling AI 2.5, which our sources are basically calling at the top of the pile for video generation. Our goal here is to get past the marketing and really unpack what these new features mean for creators. And importantly, the Kling Lab now has Nano Banana integrated.
And that's really the first thing to understand. Kling isn't just another tool. It's becoming a professional ecosystem. This Nano Banana integration, it's a specialized rendering pipeline.
So what does that actually do?
It massively cuts down on your generation time. And the consistency, the visual quality, it's just a huge leap forward. It's why this is a paid tool people actually recommend.
Okay, so let's get to the specifics. Everyone knows basic text to image, but for serious work, you need consistency, right?
Exactly. And Kling lets you use multiple element prompts, so you can keep characters, their faces, their clothes, identical from one clip to the next.
And you can also restyle things, like take a photo and turn it into anime.
Yep. And then keep that exact anime style for the whole project. And the video generator, it lets you combine all these things, like a puppy, a woman, a field, into one moving scene.
That sounds incredible.
It is, but there's a big catch, a really critical one for professional workflow with version 2.5.
Ooh, what's that?
If you need to control the end frame of your video clip, which is vital for editing,
Right.
you have to switch back to version 2.1. For some reason, 2.5 just doesn't support it right now.
Wait, that's huge. Why does that specific feature, the end frame, matter so much?
Well, think about editing. If you're stitching scenes together or creating a perfect loop, you need a clean, predictable endpoint. Without it, post-production becomes a nightmare.
I see. That's a really important distinction. Okay, let's shift to some of the other utilities. The AI sound effects generator. This seems like a massive time saver.
Oh, it is. Instead of spending an hour digging through some sound library for the perfect noise, you just type like cat purring or metal dragging on concrete, and there it is.
Which brings us to another tool, the AI virtual try-on. This sounds like a game changer for, say, e-commerce.
It is a complete game changer. You can take a photo of a shirt, tell the AI you want it on a specific model, gender, age, skin tone, whatever, and it just fits it on them seamlessly.
So you're essentially eliminating the need for photo shoots.
Exactly. No models, no expensive lighting, no studio. You get studio quality results instantly. It's massive.
And for creators and performers, I saw there's an avatar option with lip sync.
Yes. You build your avatar, you can upload a video of yourself performing, and then you add your custom audio. It transfers your actual performance cues. The lip sync is just stunning.
Wow. Okay, so how do people get access to all this? I assume it's not all free.
No, not at all. I mean, they give you some free credits to test it out, but the real features, they're locked behind a subscription. There's a standard tier for about $7 a month.
But is that tier even worth it? If it doesn't give you professional mode or watermark removal, it sounds like you're just paying for a demo.
That's pretty much what it is, yeah. For any serious work, you need to be on the pro tier. That's about $26 a month for 3,000 credits.
And that's where you get the fast track generation, the upscaling, all the good stuff.
That's the one. That's the minimum entry for dedicated creators.
Oh.
Then you have Premiere and Ultra if you're, making a movie or something.
Right. And before we wrap, our sources also mentioned a whole training ecosystem that's popped up around this.
Yeah, there's a $30 AI music video course and these $200 4-hour intensive masteries for animation or music.
So it's not just the tool, it's the whole community and education around it.
Exactly. And that actually brings me to a final kind of provocative thought here, something that really stood out.
Okay.
Beyond the AI tools and the courses, the creators are also promoting something else entirely. Simply Financial. They have a referral link that gives you $50 to open an account.
A financial company.
Yeah. It just shows you how broad this creator economy is. The recommendation for a professional toolkit is now sitting right next to a fintech referral. It's all part of the same ecosystem.
That's a fascinating point. The tool is just the tip of a much larger business iceberg. A great thing to keep in mind. Well, go explore Kling AI 2.5. It seems the potential is enormous.